If your Epic Games Launcher is acting slow, glitchy, freezing, or not loading properly, clearing the cache is one of the quickest fixes you can try. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to clear cache in Epic Games step by step, safely and in just a minute or two. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes and gaming tutorials. First, you want to completely close the Epic Games Launcher. This part is important because if the launcher is still running in the background, Windows may not let you delete the cache files properly, so go ahead and make sure Epic Games is fully closed before moving on. Next, press Win and R on your keyboard at the same time. This opens the Run window on your computer. In the box that appears, type %local app data %. This will take you directly to the local app data folder, where a lot of program files are stored on your PC. Once that folder opens, look for the Epic Games Launcher folder and open it. Inside that folder, you'll see another folder called Saved. Go ahead and open the Save folder as well. Now inside the Save folder, you should find a folder called Webcache. This is the cache folder you want to clear. Delete the Webcache folder completely. Don't worry, this is a safe step and it won't delete your games or your account. It simply removes temporary files that may be causing problems with the launcher. After deleting the folder, you can close File Explorer and reopen Epic Games Launcher. The launcher will rebuild the cache automatically the next time it starts, and in many cases, this fixes loading issues, login problems, strange errors, and general lag. If you still run into issues after this, you may want to restart your PC and try opening the launcher again. And that's it. You've now cleared the cache in Epic Games the easy way. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more simple how-to guides, and leave a comment if you want help with any other Epic Games problems.